In this video, we look at how to use frames in Canva. So frames are essentially different cutout shapes in which you can insert some object or a video. So here we go to elements and we go to frame, and it will give you all the options here. This is frames. And here you can choose any shape that you want in which you can put an image or a video. So for example, if you want to have a book, okay, this is the frame of a book, and all you need to do is select an image which you want to put over here. So we go to elements again. We go to photos over here, and we choose a photo. Let's say I wanted photo of business, something, okay? For example, this one. Then you simply click it over here and it becomes a book with a picture of the business on it. If I want a different image, I just click on this and then I hold it over there and it just gets replaced. Okay, that's how you can also replace images. Now, I want to show you one more example where let's say I go to the frames again and I choose something a little softer like a heart. Just going to move this away. And then I want to put here a photo of, let's say, a couple. Very cheesy and corny, I know, but it works. Okay, and it automatically adjusts the photo. Like if you see here, this is a horizontal landscape picture, but it adjusts it to the frame. But you can also change it manually. So then you double click it, and then you see the edges of it. What you can do is you can move it over here, okay? But remember, if you move it here, then this guy's head gets cut off over here. There's some of the hair gets cut off. That's just something to remember. So if I do done right now, you see a little bit that's going on his hair. So what I could do is then lower it. But if I lower it, then I cannot lower it right now because then this image, the edge of the image is going below the edge of the frame. It will not let you do that. So then what I can do, I can make it bigger, and now I can adjust it again over here. Okay, that's how you can insert images into frames, and that's how you can use Canva frames. But it's not just photos. You can also do videos. So if I go here and I do couple, and now I can just put it inside. Again, hold it on top, and now I can play it, and it just plays as a video, as a little moving video without showing all these edges or anything. So that's quite nice as well. And again, you can select it. You can make it bigger. You can rotate it if you want, which is a little bit strange, but okay. And that's it. That's how you can insert a video into a frame as well. And now it also gives you options for the video over here. So you can edit it. You can trim it. So you don't want it to be 8 seconds. You want it to start here. Done. And now the video length will change. It is now only 3.8 seconds. You can remove the background of the video, right? But it still stays inside the frame. So you can basically do any kind of video editing while the video is also inside the frame. And that's how you can use frames in Canva. One more thing I want to share with you is the app where you can create your own frame, your own shape. So you can go to apps, search for frame, and then you see frame maker. And then you can add points over here to create a frame. Once you are done, let's say here, and you want it for some reason, something like that. Okay. And then when you're done, you say add to design and it get added. Okay. Here. And now you can go back and you can put the same photo or image or whatever in it. But it looks very strange, obviously, because the frame is very strange. But that's it. So that's how you can create and use frames in Canva. There is also an option of image to frame, so which is basically like you can give it any image and it'll convert to a frame. But this is, you have to get a free trial for this and then you have to pay for it. So it's a little bit complicated. But actually Canva itself over here has a ton of different frames. So you remove the word couple, otherwise it cannot find it. If you go to frames over here, there are a lot of the basic shapes, film and photo, devices, paper. All of it is included in frames like blobs, retro, letters, numbers, trending, etc., right? So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find what kind of frame that you want. from here and then use them with a photo or an image. You can also put graphics. You can basically put a lot of different elements in it. What you can't put is things like text. If I have a frame over here, let's see. Let's see, I have this and I have text. It's very big. I can't put it inside a frame. It'll have to be a photo or an image. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.